Would you look at this? Today I'm going to make 1-minute pressure cooker pickles in a pressure cooker. Instant pot. Little cucumber pickles, pickled cucumbers, whatever they are. 1 minute. Here we go. I was going to use my new Cook's Essentials. Nice blue turquoise green color pressure cooker today. This is a 2-quart, but I'm going to wait and cook with Kathy when she uses hers for the first time. Remember? Remember she got this one and I got that one? We tried them with a water test, they work good. Today I'm going to use the Instant Pot 8-quart. Oh! Where do you keep all those things? Let's open the lid. Look at that shot. Come over closer, I'm going to show you how easy I'm going to put these together. Simple ingredients. I thought them up by myself. I got these little baby cucumber pickle things at a roadside stand when I was driving up the road the other day. See, I like when I see that on the road. I get excited. And they're fresh. They got tomatoes. They got eggplant. What else they got? These little cherry tomatoes. Peppers, so many things, garlic, lots of garlic, big onions. Anyway, I saw these little pickling cucumbers, I guess they are, and I decided to make this. First we're going to add our liquid, which is 1 cup of vinegar, regular vinegar, rice vinegar, whatever you like. 1 cup. Then 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. Okay? I like the smell of vinegar, I don't know why. It reminds me of those salt and vinegar chips, I guess. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. 1 cup of sugar. 2 tablespoons of salt. You have salt? I have salt. Morton salt. When it rains, it pours. Hey, where are you? Two tablespoons of lemon or lime juice. Happen to have a lime. I thought I had lemon juice in the house, but let me cut this in half and squeeze it in there. You like that idea? Should have a cutting board here, shouldn't I? Anyway, since I want 2 tablespoons, I'm going to squeeze the whole thing in there. Squeeze them out. Squeeze them out. Boy, that smells good. Yeah. Nice. I should throw that right in there, shouldn't I? Yes, I should. That's it. Except for the secret ingredient, pickling spice. 1 big heaping tablespoon of that. Should I measure that or not? Yeah, here we go. Big heaping. A little more. Now I'm going to take about, how many pickles do I have here? 4, 8, 15 pickles. First I'm going to cut the ends off the pickles. Alright? These 4 I washed already, I'll wash the rest. Cut the ends off so our flavoring can permeate inside the pickle under pressure. I'm going to make some whole. I'm going to make these 4 whole pickles and cut 2 into spears and 1 or 2 into little chips. How's that sound? Let me wash these off. 1, 2 into spears and 2 into chips. Okay, rinse these off.
I love pickles.
You like pickles? Oh, that's right. I was Pickle Rick one time, remember? My pickle decoration's out. I won't want to taste them. Cut the ends off. I tasted one of these last night raw. It was pretty good. Tasted more like a cucumber than a pickle, but we're going to pickle them up. You like that idea? I hope so. And I didn't want a can. I don't want a jar. I don't want to save them for the winter. I want to eat them right now. And it's hard to find a recipe like that. So I decided to make my own. Put these in their hole. Stir it around. Ooh, sugar in there. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. What did I say? 4 whole ones? Yeah. Boy, that smells so good. Tbsp Spears. Not Brittany. Pickle. Put them in. That's a chunky spear. Don't they look good? And the rest I'm going to slice up like little chips. Pickle coins, if you will. Douche coin. Hey, did you invest in pickle coin? You better buy it. It's 3 cents. Yeah, I'm gonna get some. Never know. I might go up to $56,000. Look at the other one. Look at these. You want to eat one of these now? Me neither. Put these in. Give them a good stir. Stir it up. They're all nice and wet. Well, I got only 2 whole ones. Oh, 3, 4 whole ones. Some spears, some chips. Okay? Alright, let's put the lid on. Put it in locking mode. Sealing back here. Set this manual for 1 minute on high pressure. What do you think of that? By the time the pressure builds up, our mixture is going to simmer enough to let our pickles have been steeped in that good pickling flavor under pressure. And then the pressure is going to pressurize that delicious mixture into the pickles. So it might take 5-10 minutes for the pressure to come up. In that time is most important because it's simmering in there, right? You've seen the pickles submerged in that delicious mixture. Okay. Well, I found my pickle decorations. So I'll put them up while we're waiting for this. Then I'm going to let these cool. Pickles, more pickles. Pickles everywhere. Then I'm going to let these cool. And I'm going to taste them a few hours later. But I'll show you as soon as these are done. After the minute of pressure. Okay. I changed my mind. I'm going to throw that lime in there. I was cleaning up the mess here and I said, I'm going to throw that lime in there. Get in there. Oh, yeah. Here we go again. Okay. Still on. Let's see. Yep, still on 1 minute. All right. It's coming up to pressure pretty quick. You hear the hissing back there? It's starting to smell like pickles in here too now. Believe me. Here comes. Watch. Seal. Here, stop. Come on. 1 minute. There it is. 1 minute. Okay, we got a real pressure cooker going here. 3 types of pickles. No canning. 1 minute. Think that guy's worried? What, me worry? Get me out of here. It's gonna be a nice minute. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna let the pressure release naturally. That's gonna give it some extra time. Well, then I'm going over 1 minute. I could release it manually, but I'll give it a little more permeation of the delicious ingredients. There we are. 1 minute. Okay. I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. Stop. Alright, now it's going to go into keep warm mode. The minutes will start counting up. They were 1 minute pressure cooker pickles. I could release it now if I want to, but I don't want to. I'm just going to give it a little extra, okay? Be back in 5-10 minutes maybe. Sure smells good. 14 minutes. I don't want to wait much longer. I happen to have some empty pickle jars here too, so I might as well put them in there. But first I'm going to pour them into a glass bowl and let them cool. Okay? So if there's any pressure left, let's release it now. Shouldn't be much in there. Nope. Boy, I wish you could smell that. Here we go. Wait for the pin to drop. There it is. All right. Want to look at it? Here we go. Look at those pickles. Woo-wee! Smell them. They smell so good. They look like pickles? Sure do. 1 minute pressure cooker pickles. It took about 20 minutes to make. 1 minute under pressure though. Let me get some tongs and check one out. I got pickle tongs. Alright, we don't want them to look at. I don't want to taste it right now though. Do I? It's too hot. I'm gonna let it cool. And I'll taste one. Then I'm gonna let this whole bowl cool and even put it in the refrigerator. And I'll taste them for you in a couple hours. Okay? What do you think? While they're cooling, I'm going to finish putting up my pickle decorations. I'm going to get my pickle shared out for the official tasting. But I'm going to taste this one right now. It's still hot. Why do I taste it while it's hot? Oh, that's a good flavor. It really is. I like it. Well, remember the whole pickles we had in there? Whew. Still there, look. I think they're going to get nice and crisp while they cool. Okay? But that one I just tasted that was warm. So good. So I'm going to take a little nap, watch some TV, let these cool. When they're cool enough, I'll put them in the refrigerator, and probably around supper time I'll taste them again. But I'll show you, hang on. I'm back! The time has come. Where are those pickles? They're in the refrigerator. Oh! There they are. It's been about 5 hours. Cold. Cold as a cuke. Oh, yes. So, what do you think? Should I put them in jars or just taste them? Taste them. Okay. Bowl full of pickles. I could put them in jars, remember? I could call them Rickles Pickles. See what they look like. Aren't they delicious looking? Which one do you want to try first? Nice and cold now? Oh yeah, look. I'm gonna try a whole one. Let me dig down. Let me dig down deep inside. Get one out down there. Oh yeah, there's one. That's a big one. Couple spears. One of each. I already tasted a chip, but it was warm. Let me taste the cold one. It smells so good. It smells like bread and butter pickles. don't know why they call them bread and butter, but
Bread and butter, bread and butter, bread and butter, bread and butter.
Tastes like the hot one, but cold. Take a bit of a spear, dear. The outside has a little crisp to it. Not too crispy though, or crunchy. Here's the big test. Made these. I was looking up recipes how to pickle cucumbers. It's all cans and jars and jarring and canning and pressure. I didn't want to do the jars and the canning. I got things like that. Remember, I have the mason jars and all that. I just wanted to get them flavored and eat them now. Crunch. That is real good. I really like it. I really do. Isn't that nice? Try this in your pressure cooker, whatever brand you have. Remember to stay tuned for our double pressure cooker meal we're going to make with the 2 new pressure cookers. And try this. I'm going to be all pickled out by the end of this night. That'd be good on a hot dog or something. Okay, I'm going to put these in jars. Okay. Now it looks real. I'll put the spears and the big ones in here. And the chips in the other one. See? Now they're real pickles. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you soon. Please subscribe for more fun. Happy pickling. I like it.